The MC011 suspension is the death penalty on eBay, and we can beat it, so can you. So we did beat it for a seller, and it's just providing eBay with documentation, right? What they're going to do is they're going to hold your money hostage, and it's going to be like a scare tactic, right? When they do that, you just need to be professional, on your game, concise, and to the point. Like you're the good guy. Don't over-explain it. Straight up, direct, right? You got to have this ready. All right, so when you go into your eBay account, go into your account settings, make sure everything's matching up. You can change it right now, right? You should be able to change it, your eBay settings. Make sure it matches your government issued either driver's license or passport, you need a utility bill, a bank statement. You're probably going to need a lot of these things, right? So a commercial invoice, as much as possible. If you just have retail receipts, just provide as much as humanly possible on what you do have, right? And then you're gonna have valid tracking. So if you can guess can you try to guess what triggered this to happen? What triggered this? So what triggered this to happen is, as you can see, there was no sales on this account, and then we were contacted and we kind of boosted up to, what is it, $11,000 in 2 days or something crazy. All right, so it's pretty nuts. AKA, obviously, a red flag went off in eBay's system. So they got a special little message that said, look, update. They said, upload your tracking. Okay. So that's going to be number one. See, number 4 is right here, valid tracking number. So they said, look, upload all of your tracking. And we're just like, wait, all of our tracking? Like all of it? They've been selling on eBay for 4 years. So it's going to be a lot of tracking. But what they actually mean is the most recent, right? So the most recent, whatever set off or you think set off the trigger, you're going to upload those. And of course we did upload those, and here it is, it says delivered. We're like, yo, we're confused. They're like, you can see it. What's going on eBay? Like, why do we have to upload our tracking when you have access to it? Who knows? But it said delivered, and they didn't accept it, right? So they didn't accept it because what they want to make sure every single item that you sent out says delivered. In the last 2 weeks, let's just say 2 weeks, and their explanations are going to be very vague. So just be on top of that. So let's see. Submit tracking numbers for each of the items posted if you have not already done so. And it doesn't have any items posted. So it's like pretty much saying every item, but it's not true. It's just the items from the last 2 weeks. So just stay on top of it, and then make sure all of your items say delivered. They all have to say delivered. And then you can appeal successfully. Make sure you give them those screenshots that they need, and then you kind of go from there. You can also confirm delivery by providing the feedback you have received from buyers. Okay, doesn't make any sense, but all right. We received your appeal for eBay account and appreciate you taking time. We've submitted that, right? And they wanted more. Of course, documentation that shows that you purchased the items recently listed for eBay. So now they actually want actual documentation that we recently purchased the items for sale. No more going to shopping or buying something from the neighbors at a yard sale. They want documentation, right? It's pretty official. And manufacturer invoices, they are saying receipts. So the screenshot says no receipts, but it says or receipts for ours. Maybe it depends. But receipts, hey, we'll take the receipts, right? And of course, then we were like, okay, here you go. We got it. It was a pain, right? Because we didn't have an actual invoice, the client didn't. So we're kind of jumping through hoops and giving an invoice here, an email here, trying to make it look extremely professional and then submitting it. And then of course it was not, this one, okay, so then it was approved, right? We also submitted, we had to submit a birth certificate. It got a little crazy. So it was just, I was like, let's just submit everything. So that last appeal, even though they were just requested that, I was like, all right, let's go in. So we had the credit card statement that shows that they purchased the item. We had a bank account statement that just shows that they have a bank, the same bank that's connected to eBay. We submitted their birth certificate. We submitted their driver's license. We submitted their invoices. Okay, and we combined them, and we super professional, one PDF packet, handed it off to them, and that's when they sent this email. We appreciate the additional information that you provided. We reviewed your situation, and in light of the additional details, eBay has reinstated your account. In light of the additional details, whatever that means. But yeah, we strongly encourage you to ship items in a timely manner, which they actually did. We also like to take the opportunity to encourage you to take the extra care in accurately and thoroughly describing the value and condition of the items you sell on eBay. Okay? I don't know. See, it was just weird. But obviously it was triggered. And a lot of their text you need to understand is robots. Okay? So if you're like, oh my God, this is so vague, this is so weird, that's just them. And remember I said we submitted all those documents. We did that for the first one and it didn't work. So for that first appeal, if you submit everything at once, they're gonna say no, we don't want everything. We just want. But once you get towards the end, you're like, oh my God, like come on, guys. And they even know. They're like, oh, can we just have one more doc? Then you're just like hit them with everything, right? But if you do in the beginning, they just want to accept. If you do need help, we've done this before. We know exactly how to do it. We know exactly what documents to do. We even know exactly what to say. Here's an example of how short and sweet it should be when you're speaking with eBay and submitting an appeal, right? Very sweet, short, concise, to the point. Got everything they need to reinstate the account. You're no BS, and that's what you want. And if you can do that, you'll be good to go, right? Contact EHP Consulting Group if you need help with eBay or anything Amazon. Right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.